Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix high CPU usage and boost the FPS of our device so that we can play the favorite games that we have without experiencing any lag. Okay, so let's get started. So here in our Windows icon, please make a right click on it and then go to Device Manager Options. And once this window is up, please maximize this and go to System Devices. And from here, we need to go to High Precision Event Timer. Once selected, please make a right click on it and then just click on Disable Device. And after doing that, please close this window. And the next thing we need to do is just open the Run window. We can do that by pressing Windows R key all together. And in here, we need to type regedit and then click on OK. And then just click on Yes. And in here, from the left pane, please select H key local machine and then click this arrow here. And we need to go to System. And we need to go to Current Control Set. Just click this arrow and go to Services. And from Services, please click any of the options and then just type T to go to the T section. And from the T section, please look for Time Broker. Let me just expand this one. It's Time Broker SVC, this one. And from here, let's go to Start and make a right click on it and then click on Modify. And in here in the value data, please type 4 and then click on OK and then close this window and then make or do a refresh with your device. Okay, and after making a refresh, let's go again to our search tab and then let's type command control or command prompt and then click on run as administrator and then just click on yes. And in here, this black window will come up on your screen. All we need to do here is just type sfc /scan now and just hit enter and then just wait for the loading process or the verification process to finish, and then you can now exit this window. And once done, just make a quick restart with your device or laptop. And another thing, or the last thing we need to do is just search for edit power plan. So here in our Windows search tab, that's under best match, let's click on edit power plan and let's change advanced power settings. So wait for this window to come up on your screen, and in here we need to select balance. Or if you have an option that says high performance, you can also select that. And after selecting, please click on apply and then click on OK, and then make a quick restart with your device and see for any changes. Okay, so that's how you do it, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one.